Hello friends, welcome to Holy Trinity Academy. A to Z Streams of Study or Careers Part 2. In this video, we talk about various career avenues in government or private sectors. As we all know, there are various career avenues which are unlimited in government and private sector. A big question that appears in the mind of any student is that whether they should opt for government job or private job. Or this is a very common question among those students who are on the verge of finishing their studies and are about to start a new career. The tug of war between the government and private sector in an young mind is something that cannot be won due to various differences in both the sectors. Government jobs offered have seen a better response from the public due to the unsecured job style of the private sector. So let's talk about the major differences that these jobs have. So government jobs versus private jobs. Every government job vacancy announced publicly will have a written test, post which your job eligibility will be decided and you will be called for an interview. However, when it comes to the private sector, you are needed to go to their respective offices to attend the interview, which has a series of interview rounds to pass to get your hands on the job. Coming to recruitment, there is a common misconception among the students in the country that is spread by their parents, to be precise, which is government vacancies are a rare occurrence, private jobs are better. So every government job, both state and central government, will be announced publicly on their websites and in newspapers to ensure that a maximum number of candidates apply for the job throughout the year. So this is not applicable to the private sector since there are consultancies that hire candidates for companies clearing initial rounds of the recruitment process. With regard to salary, that is one of the biggest reasons for students to dream about private jobs since they see a lot of money being paid instead of the benefits that they can get over a longer period of time. Government sector may provide less salary compared to the private sector, but they have better benefits. Increments for government jobs are standardized, whereas in private sector, jobs are pretty much annual or in some companies half-yearly too. Coming to the logging time, flexible working hours in the private sector is actually more of a curse than a boon. Fixed working hours that the government sector has will help us plan our day accordingly, while in private sector, you may have to fill in more hours to get the work done. Your employers expect you to get the work done at any cost. Job security, that is another difference. How secure is your job? A frightening question to face when you are in the private sector, since the job security is zero. Government sector jobs are 100% secure unless you have forged documents to obtain the job, which will lead to termination. Growth. In government jobs, as per the norms, the age of retirement is 58 to 68 years. So the growth that you could expect there is less and over a longer period of time. However, in private sector has the upper hand here since growth is based on your talent and work alone. Leaves and holidays. There are limited leaves in the private sector since the company protocol dictates it. However, all government sectors do not work on government holidays, which is better as you can spend more quality time with your family. The government sector has the upper hand when it comes to leaves and holidays due to huge flexibility in flexibility differences. Benefits. The government sector has pensions, concessions, facilities, getting loans and more, or for using government entities like medical facilities, etc. The private sector provides benefits in a completely different way. Outings, reimbursements for your expenses, on-site job offers to travel abroad, etc. Both the sectors have their own perks and benefits. Competition. The number of vacancies and the number of candidates who apply determine the competition for both the sector. When it comes to government job, the entire country population with eligibility can apply for that vacant position. Whereas in a private sector, it's different. You will be either referred by a friend or a consultancy. The only drawback for government sector is the caste-based reservation system, which demotivates people from even applying for any job vacancies. And this is not applicable when it comes to the private sector whatsoever. Creativity. Government sector job is similar to a factory job. You do the same repetitive process every day unless you are promoted to a different position and more tasks are added to the current ones. The private sector has such a better understanding and opportunities when it comes to creativity. The more creative you are, the more opportunity you get to grow. And that too at an exponential rate. Even though you show creativity in the government jobs, the decision-making hierarchy will barely notice your creativity. Whereas even in subtlest creativity, creative method will be noticed in the private sector. Work pressure. Another misconception about government job is that there is no work pressure. And this may be a thing of the past since both government and private sectors face equal amount of work pressure. However, you could find subtle differences here. The workload is evenly distributed in government offices, whereas in private sector, a workload is distributed based on your previous contribution, which can be both good and bad based on your current situation. So final thoughts. To all those who are starting a new career, we have tried to provide you with all the necessary information that you need to pursue your goals and dreams in life. And now the ball is in your court. You yourself are responsible to set your own career path. Now that you are aware of the key points and have gained a proper knowledge on both the sectors, so you will be able to make the smart choice based on your comfort and preference. So if you want to make your startup journey smooth, please listen to our new video, coming soon a new video, A to Z Streams of Study or Career Part 3, Potential Avenues right from 5th Standard. Thank you all.